Hi, I'm Jackie Henry with Remax Desert Showcase, and today in El Mirage, Arizona, I am answering one question. What does 54,900 actually buy you? This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, about a 1,200 square feet, and some of the furniture might actually stay. But there's something else you need to know. This is a land lease. It's $1,135 a month. But stay with me, because I'm going to show you the house, the community, and who I think this home makes sense for and who it doesn't. So if you're thinking about moving to the Northwest Phoenix area, subscribe to my home tours. I do them every week and show you what your money really buys, not just pretty pictures. Whether you're moving next month or next year, I'm Jackie Henry with Remax Desert Showcase, and all my contact is below. Now let's go inside and see exactly what 54.9 gets you in El Mirage. For 54,900, this one surprised me right from the start. Look at the size of this carport. It's wide, it's deep, and compared to several other neighborhood homes, you've got a lot more covered parking space here. Now, please remember the price point as we go inside, because this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home could make a very interesting Arizona Snowbird getaway. As we walk in, you can immediately see this is not a brand new home. There's carpeting and some original features, but the layout is really cute. I especially like the arches over there in the corner. They give enough room and touch of personality instead of a boxy manufactured home feel. Check those out. Some of the furniture may also be available in a separate bill of sale, which could be a huge advantage if you're coming to Arizona seasonally and don't want to furnish an entire new house. So here's bedroom number 1, the primary bedroom. Its east-facing windows bring a lot of natural light in. This room is right off the main living area. And now we're going to go into the primary bathroom. This really surprised me. Look at all the natural light coming through that skylight. I didn't even need to turn on the light. You've got a sit-down shower, plenty of room for something that I personally love. The linen closet is actually inside the bathroom. So those towels, extra toilet paper, everything you need is right here when you need it. Somebody was thinking ahead. I just love that shower. And there's the linen closet. I mean, how convenient is that? As we walk back through the primary, I want you to notice that there's vaulted ceilings, which gives a feeling of a lot bigger room. And there's this cute little closet. It's a walk-in closet, which is plenty if you're a snowbird here. And I don't know about you, but as I get older, I have less clothes. And this is where I start imagining somebody would actually live here. I can see friends coming over, everybody sitting around watching the football game or a baseball game, maybe drinks, snacks on the table. The neighborhood was very friendly. When I was filming this, people were waving. The neighborhoods even stopped, asked if I needed any help. That really tells you something. Now look at this kitchen and dining area. No, they're not brand new cabinets, but they're clean and they're quite a bit of storage. You've got room for a real dining room table without swallowing up the kitchen. It's got a gas stove. And for those of you who actually enjoy cooking, there's another skylight bringing all this natural light in here. The room is conveniently located off the kitchen, and you have a back door leading directly to the outside, which is very helpful. Out back, you've got a storage shed. And anybody who owns Christmas decorations knows that you can never have too much storage. There's a patio area. Now, I'm going to be completely straight with you. The exterior needs some attention. And there's some areas around the eaves and the patio that could use a little love. But then again, we're talking about a home that's priced at $54,900. So this is a place you can decide whether it deserves a little work or you want the lifestyle. Coming back through, notice how the kitchen and dining area room are all connected. It isn't technically one giant open concept room, but whoever is cooking isn't isolated from everybody either. You can still talk and laugh, watch the game, and be part of what's going on. Bathroom number 2, there's another little skylight in here, although this one has been covered up. But you do have additional linen storage nearby, which I really like. I have pictures in there right now. I have no idea why. Bedroom 2 looks smaller at first because there's some fairly large furniture in here. You also got a closet for the seasonal home. I think this would work nicely for a guest bedroom or an office. What would you use it for? I don't know. This might work for my hobbies. Look at the size of this. There's a lot of furniture in here. Bedroom number 3. Yes, this one is definitely small, but it has vaulted ceilings, which helps it feel more open, and it does have its own closet. Got a little personality. This bedroom is for guests you love, or maybe people you don't want to stay very long. The main living room is actually quite spacious, and this whole home has an easy, casual feeling associated with Snowbird living. So come down for the winter, have neighbors over for cards, watch the game, enjoy the Arizona sunshine. Look at that heating vent. It comes up from the floor. It keeps it quite nice during the winter. And yes, we do have winters. Plenty of storage space under the sink. And for $54,900, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths gives you some interesting possibilities. So next, I'm going to show you the community itself. But not before we do one quick walkthrough so you can see the entire house and get the feeling for what under 55K can get you in Phoenix, in El Mirage, Arizona. Then we're going to head on out to the community area. Pretty large. Feels pretty open to me. What would you do with this space? I could think of plenty of things I could do with it. Because with a home like this, you're not buying the house. Keeping an active 55 plus lifestyle with the amenities at Copper's Sun is easy. The clubhouse is the center of the home and the community. It's perfect for socializing. We have an ever-changing schedule of fun activities here at Sun Run. Visit the billiards room, a friendly game to start a routine, or our fitness room. Remember, this is a pet-friendly neighborhood, so walk your furry friends under the scenic sunsets and pristine nature of El Mirage. Now, some summer ground rules. Just like the rest of the valley, newcomers quickly learn the traditional survival the hard way, such as the infamous surface heated garden hose that can scald your skin. The phenomenon is inevitably of replacing windshields due to highway rocks, and how much electricity bills spike when keeping a home cool through the connective months of a triple digit. So what did you think? Could you see yourself spending yourself here in Arizona winters? If you're thinking about moving to El Mirage, Arizona, or you're looking for an affordable snowbird home, give me a call. I'm Jackie Henry at RE/MAX Desert Showcase, and I'll see you on the next tour.